The company page is where you can find all relevant financial data on a particular company.